am David Peck of David Peck Collection, and I've been a member of FGI since 2010. Well, I started out doing windows for Ralph Lauren, and then I moved to Paris to study fashion at Parsons Paris School of Art and Design, and worked there for almost 5 years, and then moved to New York and now Houston. What I found about Houston is that it's a really warm, supporting place. There's a lot of space to grow a business. As you can see, we have a fully functioning factory here, which would be very difficult in a larger city or a city that is more densely populated. So we have a lower cost of living, and the network here, the community, is incredibly supportive and has allowed us to grow our business. And of course, with all the traveling, I don't miss out on all the other cities either, but Houston's a wonderful place to call home. CROP stands for Creative Opportunities, and the whole idea behind CROP is to create a network of artists and creative individuals who value giving back. So every collection we donate 10% of our profits back to a cause that inspires the collection. Yeah, so most recently we dressed Mayim Bialik, Blossom, for the SAG Awards, which was really a lot of fun. And then we just got back last week from Aspen Fashion Week, where we showed our new Fall 2012 collection. We go to New Orleans to do a career day presentation and also be inducted into Louisiana State Museum because our Spring 2012 collection is inspired by New Orleans. And we go to Chicago for a trunk show, then back to Lafayette, Louisiana for another trunk show, and then to New York for another trunk show. When I first moved to Houston, I really didn't know that Houston had a fashion scene. I really didn't know what was available at all. And somebody invited me to one of the meetings on the business of fashion in Houston, and I guess I was hooked. And ever since then, I've been attending meetings and going to events and been involved with a lot of people who are involved in FGI as well. FGI has been really invaluable. One, with the networking, just creating a very quick network. I was brand new to the city. I'd never lived in Houston before, so I didn't really know anybody. So FGI really helped me connect to people within the industry very quickly. And another thing that they've done is provide a network of interns that actually have turned into employees at this point. I've been very fortunate. I've been asked to be on the Trends panel last year at Neiman Marcus, and then this year I was able to do it for the fashion students at HCC, which was really fun to be able to interact with a whole new group of people who perhaps are looking at design with a fresher point of view and perspective. What FGI offers is a really valuable trade resource. You know, it's really for people who want to work in the industry. It's not just about socializing with fashion-y people. It's really about creating a strong business connection with people, which can help grow your own business, whether you're a stylist or a designer, or you just want to work for a stylist or a designer. It really offers you those networks. Well, I always tell students the earlier you start, the earlier you get ahead, and FGI really offers so many opportunities to get ahead early because there's events all the time, there's wonderful ways to network. The more people you know, the more chances you are going to have a job, the more people are going to notice what you're doing. It's just invaluable, so the earlier you start, the better. We were just in Aspen for Aspen Fashion Week, and we connected with the director of FGI there, and they've asked me to come to an event in September. So it just kind of works out that way. It's not just a local connection, it really truly is a national trade organization that's really valuable. Hi, I'm David Peck with David Peck Collection. FGI, why don't you?